Welcome to RichMulti. Today we are coming to build some simple circuit. And the circuit now just give you the title, like how you can take a reading in the oscilloscope, or how you can take a current reading in oscilloscope. Until right now, we are just going to build our circuit. And the circuit you just need some component before you can build the circuit in the Multisim. Right now I just need some component. One is a power source, and this is my power source, and I need some component that called resistor. I need my resistor. I'll just come to sources and basic. This is my resistor. I'll just take my resistor and inherit my ground. I'll just come to basic, sources, and here is my ground. Because first that I just need this component and build this circuit before I can take my reading, or before I can know how my current to go through. So right now I just connected. I'll start to connect it. So right now, okay, let me just turn my resistor 90 degrees. Okay, this is my resistor. Okay, 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 okay. Let me finish now. Okay, okay. Right now I need my component to take my current reading. They will just come here. This is my current component. I'll just come and pick it. It is here. And right now I need oscilloscope before I can take my reading. My oscilloscope is here. Okay, if you see the oscilloscope, you take oscilloscope, you see A and B. Here you have positive and negative. A you have positive and negative. In the B, when you come to B, you have positive and negative. And here is my this. They have just connected my current to oscilloscope positive. And right now I just finished. And I'll come to my power source because 120. I'll change it. I'll just come here to enter. I will use to just delete it and just enter my 12. Just enter. Okay. And my resistor to I just need one kilo. So I just deleted it and just put 1k. Okay, it is here. This is my mistake. And I'll just come to current. Okay. Here I I just come in. Okay. Now I can take my readings. Yeah, my machine. I just finished building my circuit. Let me see how the readings go. Okay. Let me do here. Let me just give you a 10. Yeah, this is my component. Let me change it and see the AC too. Yeah, this is a simple how you can calculate your current, or you can take measurement of your current. It is so simple. I hope you can do it. Try and subscribe this channel. Okay.